everybody, welcome to the kitchen drink.
I'm Midori. Hi guys, I'm Arleo. Welcome to the Kitchen Drink, where we're raiding your fridges and making some delicious crafty cocktails. Today I'm here with my cousin Lynn and her husband Tim and Midori, because she will not leave me without starting to bark, so she's part of this episode right now. We've had a lot of family gatherings where they actually watched my bartending evolve from just simple one mixers to these like homemade fresh ingredients type thing. I imagine it's been fun tasting everything that I've been making.
Yes.
So Lynn, what do you usually like to eat or drink?
Eat?
Yeah, because that sort of defines your drinking habits a little bit too.
I love sushi and lately chicken wings.
Ooh, I actually have been loving chicken wings right now too.
Yeah.
And drink-wise, I know you like whiskey, but what do you usually like with it?
I remember one of the drinks you made at a family gathering was like whiskey, ginger, and raspberry, and that was really, really good.
How about you, Tim?
Oh man, that's a hard question. I like eating ramen, tacos, pizza.
Ramen tacos, that sounds
Yeah.
delicious.
One of the cocktails that you made, it was an old fashioned, but you made these vanilla sugar cubes.
Yeah.
Oof.
That was a good one. I had a few of those.
Yeah.
I'm going to be making two drinks, one for her, one for him. Are you guys ready to go?
Yeah.
Oh, no. So you guys ready to go?
Yeah.
Just a quick look at this Gundam my other cousin made before we head into the fridge, where we find a lot of cold brew in multiple flavors as well. Yeah. Hiding behind the cold brew is some fruity stuff. There's mango green tea and some pineapple juice. Gonna grab some egg. There's also some sweet vermouth, and hiding behind that is this delicious looking citron ginger honey jam of some sort. Contemplating using this red oil, but turns out that was just waste oil, so I'm gonna go with some sesame oil and rice wine vinegar instead. This boot's gonna have a chance to make a cocktail, specifically for Tim's Spirit Forward drink. For Lynn's drink, I'm gonna use some rice wine vinegar with the tea to make a fruity acidic blend, couple that with the ginger citron honey. And for Tim's drink, we're gonna use the coffee as bitters, as well as vermouth and whiskey. Remember, especially when you're making a drink on the fly, use your liquor last, because that means you're not going to waste it as you build your drink. Say hello to my other cousin Ranwell, Lynn's brother. Gonna let Tim's drink cook a little while I shake up the other drink. I thought it would be kind of funny to use the boot. Found out it's kind of just difficult. Kind of hilarious though. The vortex that's usually for helping you drink the drink faster is kind of viable for stirring the drink. It adds a little bit too much air, but that's okay. This is all for fun anyway. Lynn's drink got a shake and strain into a nice little glass, and here we are. A couple of delicious looking cocktails. Let's see if Tim and Lynn can find the weirdness.
There you go.
Oh, yep.
Aw, where do you want to go?
Alright.
There you go.
His and her drinks.
Aww.
Wait. Cheers.
Cheers.
Boop.
I'll let Lynn go first.
It's a weird one, I know.
It tastes really good though, but I'm confused. It tastes orangey, pineapple-y.
Alright, your turn.
Okay.
It's good.
Tastes like wine.
Really?
Yeah.
That's so odd. Magical hand-offs from off screen.
Yeah.
Okay, there's coffee in here for sure.
I can taste sesame oil in this.
What?
It's a very strong flavor.
Oh, now I taste the
Now that you know.
Oh. Wait, what's in my fridge? Honey? Syrup? Honey? I have no idea. I don't know.
I can't tell.
Ready
Good.
to find out?
Yeah.
Yes.
I don't like Tullamore Dew! We're gonna start with what's common in both of your drinks. Tullamore Dew, Irish whiskey.
Both of them?
Yep, both of them have the same whiskey. Who wants to go first with their ingredients?
Let's go.
Tim.
Okay.
Oh. We had the whiskey. This is a pretty simple variation on a Manhattan with some rocks. They had some vermouth hanging around.
I knew it.
They both got it off pretty much right off the bat. It's a pretty obvious ingredient. Some cold brew coffee. No, you're supposed to stay with two. Yeah, you have a lot of cold brew in your fridge.
Yes.
There's not too much weird in this one, but I did add one more little thing. Little Himalayan pink salt. I like a little salt in my drinks because it rounds out the drink. There's only like one of salt. Lots of coffee flavor.
Oh yeah, for sure. I love coffee. I love whiskey.
Yeah. And then Midori, time to go to your mom.
No.
No, not me. This one's a little bit weirder because you guys didn't have like fresh citrus and I wanted to do a sour-based cocktail. So I used a different acid.
Twist.
I used some rice wine vinegar. I used a very small amount just so there's that hint of acidity. It obviously misses some of the texture. So to make up for that texture, I added mango flavored green tea. This adds that sort of like, just that texture that you get from citrus while also adding a little bit of fruitiness. Speaking of fruit, I know you like ginger, so I used
I forgot we had that.
honey citron ginger tea. I thought it was regular tea and then I opened it and I'm like, oh, perfect, it's a jam. That makes it even better. It also has that little bit of spice kick in there.
Okay.
If you can't tell from the foaminess, there is an egg in there.
Of course.
You have one egg left in this one now. Most people don't get their weird ingredient right, but the last ingredient in your drink is sesame oil.
I knew it.
Yeah, there are about 2 drops in there. Similar to the pink Himalayan salt, there's a little bit of saltiness, a little bit of umami in there. It's just a nice little thing to add, gives a little bit of texture and a little bit of extra flavor. Surprised you guys got sesame oil. But I don't think that.
I'm surprised that I got that, but then I didn't get half the other stuff that you put in there.
I didn't know you used the ginger tea. I forgot we had that.
It's,
and I'm surprised with the rice wine. That was like, what?
So guys, that's Lynn and Tim's Kitchen Drinks, where we put in everything but the kitchen sink. Remember to drink responsibly. Bye! Say bye, Midori! Oh. Midori. Wow.